So friends, today we all going to discuss about the World War II. The history of the world is incomplete without the inclusion of the Second World War of or World War II, the most vicious and grueling warfare waged by humans against each other. It involved the vast majority of the countries and global powers during the period 1939 to 1945. The war was primarily waged between two opposing military alliances, the Allies mainly comprising with United Kingdom and British Empire, the Third Republic of France, Soviet Union, United States of America and their allies, and the Axis power involving Nazi Germany, Fascist Italy, Empire of Japan and their allies. It started on 1st September 1939 when Nazi Germany invaded Poland and placed support from the Soviet Union and the subsequent declaration of war on Germany by Poland's allies, France and their United Kingdoms. Germany's Axis powers had significant gains in the earlier years of the Second World War, mainly between 1939 to 1941 when it conquered and dominated much of continental Europe and parts of Africa. The largest gain on the Axis side came with the rapid defeat of France at the hands of Germany due to Germany's advanced warfare technique of Blitzkrieg that involved multi-frontier attacks using infantry and armed divisions. Adolf Hitler, the dictator for Germany during the war, is mainly attributed as the perpetrator of the war due to his nationality. With France's fall in 1940, the war was primarily waged between the Axis power and British Empire. With minor gains and losses both sides, it was multi-frontier conflicts and battles occurring in various regions, including mainland Europe, Eurasia, the Balkans and Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean, East Asia and Northern and Central Africa, and aerial attacks on the British Isles. The war took significant turn in 1941 with two significant events: the invasion of Soviet Russia and its union in June 1941, second one leading to the largest land warfare in human history, and third one is the Pearl Harbor bombing by Japanese kamikazes in December 1941. It forced the United States of America to enter the war on the Allied side following the US. And the Axis power has significant strategic gains throughout 1941, including Imperial Japan. It captured and dominated much of the Western Pacific, Eastern China and Manchuria and Southern Asia. However, its advances were obstructed after the significant naval defeat at the US Navy hands of the battle and midway on the Pacific Ocean. Fascist Italy subsequently suffered significant defeats in Northern America and Balkans and eventually surrendered to the Allies with their fascist dictator Benito Mussolini being publicly executed. The collective Allied invention of sea. The war was concluded in 1945 with Allied invasion of German controlled territories, the fall of Berlin at the Soviet Union hands, and the nuclear bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan by the United States of the America. That is all about the World War II. Thank you.